Welcome to this training session, where we'll cover the information you need to plan for customer success. My name is Jason Shave. I'm a Senior Customer Engineering Architect in the Skype for Business product group, working in customer engineering and deployment. This training content is part of the early plan phase in the Skype Operations Framework. As we update and revise content, there could be a chance this material could become out of date. Where there's a need to update this content, we'll make sure that it's available on a constant basis. This is the April 2017 version of this training, and for more information, you can go to skypeoperationsframework.com/academy. And lastly, please send your feedback in. We do review the feedback on the website and look forward to hearing from you. Now let's dive into delivering planning for customer success. Within the SOF journey, we find ourselves at the very beginning, before you've made any decisions about how to configure or deploy the product. There are a few key takeaways we want you to know and understand when we're done. First of all, we all know that proper planning up front can mean the difference between a well-run engagement and a complete disaster. Well-executed projects don't come about by accident. We'll talk about the importance of quality and how you can bring about delighted users while ensuring you achieve your business outcomes. Lastly, we'll have a self-assessment exercise to compare your customer's organization against sample areas of excellence in categories like executive sponsorship, readiness and adoption, and operations. You can use the assessment to understand your areas you need to focus on in your SOF journey. So why are we doing this? Ultimately, we want you to succeed. It's difficult to succeed on projects of any scale and complexity, and successful organizational change is key. We also want you and your customers to be informed. The details are critical here. Have you gathered enough information about requirements, business objectives? Is the environment ready to adopt this cloud service? Have you considered what it takes to succeed? Who are the people? What are the endpoints? What are the network components? Who's the sponsor? What other pieces haven't you thought about? Do you also know the areas you or your customer need help? Are you fully aware of all the risks? Who's involved, engaged, and ready to move this thing forward? And is the executive sponsor bought in to moving it forward? So the message here is pretty simple. The better informed you are about a complex change across the organization, the better chance you have of being